Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block messages from a profile or a person on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to block messages from a person on Facebook, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after that, you will need to open the person's conversation or the chat box whom you want to block. And after that, you can see the eye icon or the information icon on the top right corner of your screen. Just tap over there, and when you scroll down, you can see the block option available over here. Tap there, and you can see you can also choose to block on Facebook account permanently from over here, or you can just choose to block messages and calls. Now, to block messages only, tap on over here on the right side of the block messages and calls. Tap there and tap on block. And there guys, we have successfully blocked a person's message on Facebook, though we will be able to see him or her on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.